So here's the tractor. I will do a service on it. It's a little bit dirty. I will wash it tomorrow when I will finish driving manure. So I will grease it and we see later. This is probably one of the most important ones. It's every 50 hours. Move the water tank, and now I can remove these caps. There's just one screw here, this one is already removed, and then you will see that it is very tight. You can really move it. Don't put anything here and try to lift it up, because you could damage, and then the oil will leak here. And I recommend you put something here and do something like that. Right now you need feeler gauge, and right you can see it's 0.3 millimeter. And to check what clearance you need, just either read your manual or find your engine type and Google that. So here is the bolt that we will rotate, so that the engine will rotate. It is 38 millimeters, so let me get some tools. Bam, look at this. It's like, what's that, 50? That's big. We'll need 38. Now I will adjust the valves. Okay, all you need to know is that in 4-piston engines, the middle two and the outside two are working in pairs. That means that both pistons are in the same position. When you're moving the crankshaft, they should be, one is going up and one is going down on this cylinder, and you need to catch when they're both at roughly the same height. Right now this one are both loose, and the first one is or both are tight and are in the same level, and you can just put this thing here in between, so right here, and then just feel that it's a little bit rough and you try to move it, and that's the correct clearance. And this is the first one, and then you can do just this one, and they are both adjusted. And then you need to rotate the crankshaft for 180 degrees, and then you could adjust this valve. Just a little bit more, and now these two are both tight, and this is the here and here. Adjust those two. Now here's the filter, change it, and here you need to empty this every service because there is a lot of debris and water. Here's the new filter, that's the old one. This is original filter made from SDF, but they're the same so it doesn't matter, and put some oil on the seals. Then you can check the belt, how much is worn, any cracks, maybe it's loose. This one probably a little bit too tight. I tighten it a bit too much, but it will be fine. No cracks, but it's quite old. Probably if you're in next year, I probably should change it. Here is the water, the antifreeze. I need to put a little bit inside. Here's the air filter. You need to blow it out from inside. You can do it 5 times, then you need to replace this filter, and then the inside filter, don't remove it unless you change it. Never blow it, and change it every second time when you replace this filter.